Man, this current is crazy.
Welcome to Hippie Jim Fishing. I am Hippie Jim, your fishing musician. This video was filmed on August 30th and August 31st. This is the day of and day after that Hurricane Idalia hit to the east of us in the Big Bend area. I know there are folks still recovering from that months later. Prayers out to all of them. As you can see, the storm has pushed a ton of water up in the Gulf. The water here is almost touching the dunes at Johnson's Beach. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and all that stuff, and I'll see you at the end.
Man, this current is crazy. Well, it's pulling it over that way, so I think I may move that way a little bit. Oh no, I did have something. Stupid kitty. I am going to move down this way a little bit more. We just got skunk proof with old kitty. I'm going to move down just a little bit to see if there's a better spot. He's got a little beef to him. Not beef, he got a little action to him. Oh, twitchy, twitchy. Ugh. And of course, kitty, 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 kitty. Get. We are right by a bunch of turtle nesting sites, and this storm little surge that we got in high tide has sort of messed up our some of our eggs, so there's unfortunately one of the casualties. Hope there's a bunch that survive though. So I moved down a little bit here, throwing in this little spot here. There's a hole right in front of me. You see where the waves get disrupted and stuff, but there's still some big surf out here, so they're breaking on the bars, but you can tell there's a lot of current here, and there's a hole out just to the left in front of me. It's gonna be another kitty day. I had something get off earlier though that, yeah.
Well, this about did it for the day. Between the rough surf and everything going on, I decided to go ahead and leave and try again the next day.
All right, we're out here. It's the day after Idalia hit to the east there. Prayers out to all those people out east of us. We know how it feels. They found me a spot over here to set up. I got a little late start. I had stuff to do today. This is the spot here. A little point right here that comes out, comes in. You can see the waves really break on either side, and see these are barely turning over. Only the biggest waves will do it. And I can tell with my polarized lenses there is a little dark trough out there. So I'm gonna give it a try. It's a little late to start, but hey, fishing's fishing. Didn't even get a chance to rig my other set, and I got a bite. Oh, I guess a ladyfish is jumping. Oh no, I'm good, man. I think I might have a lady. I saw something jump. Oh, there it is. Yep, a little baby ladyfish. That's my first ladyfish I ever caught. So there we go. Little ladyfish. Thank you. Thank you, lady. Yeah, there are fish here. They are biting, so run here. Another little ladyfish. I just saw her jump. Oh, she jumped off. There you go. And I already got something hitting on the one I threw up close here. Still on. Oh, there's something on there. Oh, there she is. There it is. Yep. Little. Doubled up there. Two. I don't know if you saw that on the camera. I had two ladyfish. One was a little bigger than this one. Saddle. Yep. Here we go. Thank you, thank you. Go back and find your brethren there. And a ladyfish jumping. This one's got a little fight. Woo. Oh, two of them, that's why. Two ladyfish. It is a ladies' night out. Oh, one got off by herself. Better hurry before Fred comes and gets you. Oh, this one was foul hooked. Bait my other hook that I pulled in, and I get hit again. Holy smoke. Yeah, little ladyfish jumping right there. I think she got off. I see a big old stingray running right there. Oh no, she's still on. Those are pretty fish, though. Back you go. Trying to bait my other hook, and this one started going again. I don't know if they're still on. I was... no, there's something on. The other one's hitting unless this is crossed. I don't know. No, not crossed. Another lady. That's the story of the day. They're fun though. Oh, I did get crossed. All right, girl. Pretty fish, pretty fish. Oh yeah. There we go. It would be cool to get something other than ladyfish, but I just saw her jump again. Yep, the brook. 2 of them. That's why I had that little wiggle going on. Doubling up. One back in. Calm down, I'm trying to help you out. That is just such a pretty fish. And I had just thrown that in the water. I mean, just not even a minute. I'm just throwing it in this little trough 10 yards off the beach. And the ladyfish are just killing it out there. There, another lady. There she goes. Have a good time, girl. Hits. I think they got off. Oh, here, a little tiny one. Little baby. Baby lady. Alrighty. Gotta leave here in a minute. A little short day of fishing, but here we go. Oh, there she is jumping. Oh yeah, 2 of them. Again, I think. Yeah, 2 little babies. You better settle down before Fred comes and gets you. All right, guys, that wraps up today. I only had a couple hours to fish. I gotta go pick up grandkids, ones I dropped off this morning. I'm out here at Johnson's Beach. I was just over there on the Gulf side. One of these days I'm gonna go over here on the Bay side. They said they're slaying reds and trout over there right now. But I'm gonna call today a successful day. It was all ladyfish, but there was a lot of them. They were small. But I'd never caught ladyfish before. They were fun. Had quite a few jumpers, doubling up on them. It was a lot of fun. So, and it's just honing my skills even more. Again, especially being brand new to this, I'm not going to complain at all any day I catch fish. So until next time, you guys be safe. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff, so I can try to grow this channel. Let me know if there's anything you want to see, or if you're one of those seasoned anglers who's salty and want to troll, come on, man. I want any comment's a good comment. You guys have a good one. Be safe and God bless.